Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Early Foundation International School. Hope everybody is fine, doing great at home, isn't it? Yes, children, we'll begin today's EVS revision class. Okay, in this class, ma'am is going to revise the EVS subject for SA1 assessment. Okay, before moving to the class, we'll see about today's date and the day. What is the date today? 30. We are in the 11th month. The month name is November. Okay, 2021 Tuesday. TUESDAY Tuesday. Okay. Yes, children. LKG EVS revision for SA1 assessment. Okay. Look at the picture. Please read this. Look at the pictures. Cross the box under the picture of the night. Okay, there are two pictures, children. Which is in the night? Which image we can see at night? So we should take under the picture of the night. See, children, we have learned the lesson day and night, right? What we can see in the day? Sun we can see in the daytime, right? What about moon? We can see at the night time. So you have to tick for the moon, which is able to see at night. Okay. The second one is circle the objects that we use to keep ourselves clean. We have learned the lesson cleanliness, right? Yes. Look at the picture, children. I brush my teeth with, how we are brushing our teeth? With brush. Very good. With toothbrush. We are brushing our teeth with toothbrush. Next, I comb my hair with comb. How we are combing our hair? With the comb. Okay? Take the answer. Then, circle the pictures that represent our country. Things that represent our country. What is this? Indian national flag. What is this? National flag. Very good. Then mango. It is our national fruit. It is our national fruit. And the lotus is national flower of India. National flower of India. Okay. Yes, we have to circle the things that represent our country. Which is our country? India is our country. Okay. Next, look at the picture. Circle the healthy food items. Okay. In this, only we have to circle the healthy food items. Rice is a healthy item. Yes, of course. Rice is a healthy food. Okay. So rice is a healthy item. What about milk? Milk is also a healthy item. What about burger? Burger is a junk food. What about Coca-Cola? It is also junk food. We should not take these kind of foods, children. Okay. What is the question? You have to circle only the healthy food items. Okay. Then match the body parts. What you helps to do by drawing lines. Okay. What like nose is helping us to, how we are spelling with help of our nose, right? Yes. Next, how we are walking? With our legs. How we are walking? With our legs. How we are hearing the songs? We are hearing the songs, right? With help of our ears. Okay? Yes. So, you have to know which organ, like which body part is in which way waiting, like using for us. Okay. For example, we are tasting the food, right? It is very sweet. It is very salt. How we are tasting the food? With help of our tongue, right? We are tasting the food with help of our tongue, right? And write the numbers from 1 to 5 boxes that show the order of activities in your daily routine. We have learned this, right? What is our daily routine? What we'll do daily? Tell me, what is our daily routine? children, what is our daily routine? What we'll do in the morning? Please tell me what we'll do in the morning first. We'll wake up from the bed, right? What we'll do in the morning? We'll wake up from the bed. Then, after wake up from your bed, what you will do? Brush your teeth. Then you will take bath. Then, wearing a clean cloth, we are getting ready to the school, right? These are our daily routine. First, we'll sleep at the night. We'll wake up in the morning. Then we'll brush our teeth. Then we'll take bath. Then we'll wear clean cloth. Then we'll go to the school, right? This is our daily routine. So you have to put the numbers, okay, according to your routine, okay. Next, places around us. What are the places are there around us? Tell me, children. School. One is school. Then hospital. Then police station. Police station. Then market. Okay. Who are the people are there in those places? School. Who will be there in your school, children? Who will be there in your school? Teachers. Teachers will be there. Students will be there. Principal ma'ams will be there. Your aunt is also there, right? So, these many people are there in our school, right? Next, hospital. Who will be there at the hospital?
Doctor.
Doctor. Very good. Then, nurse. Then, patients. Right? Yes, very good. Next, police station. Who will be there in the police station? Policeman. Who will be there at the police station? Policeman. Next, market. Who will be there at the market? Shopkeepers. The person who is selling the things, okay? Shopkeeper. Yes, children, very good. Then, circle the things that represent our country. What are the things about we have learned? About our national flag, then national animal. Which is our national animal? Tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Yes. Which is our national flag? Lotus. Lotus is our national flag. Then which is our national fruit? Mango. Mango is our national fruit. Then which is our national bird, children?
Peacock.
Peacock. Very good. Clap for Srishri. Super. Our national bird is peacock. Okay. We have to know the things that which is representing our country. And circle the different places in your school. What are the places are there in your school, children? This is classroom. Then playground. Then principal's room. Then canteen. These are the places that are there in our school, right?
Yes.
So you have to circle the different places which are there in your school. Okay. Next, look at the pictures and circle the healthy food items. What is healthy food? What is healthy food, children?
Mango.
Mango is healthy fruit. Good. Okay. Healthy food. Rice is a healthy food, right? Rice is a healthy food. Fruits and vegetables is the healthy food. Eggs also healthy food. We used to take, we will take every day. Okay. Yes, we should take every day eggs. It's keep our body healthy. Then meat. Yes, meat also we should take. It is also healthy. What about dal? Dal is also healthy. Then nuts. Nuts. Yes, children. Nuts is also a healthy food. Okay, milk. Yes, we should drink milk every day. It is a healthy food. Okay. What about roti? Roti also. Roti, rice, dal, then vegetables, egg, meat. These are the healthy food items we should take in our everyday meal. Okay. Yes, children. Next is oral activity. I will ask the oral question also. Okay. What is the uses of water, children? For what are the things we are using the water? We used to drink. If we we are feeling thirsty, we'll drink the water. If you are feeling dirty, we use water to take the bath. Then washing cloth. Isn't it? Then planting. For these many things, we are using the water. Then name of your family members. Who are all there in your family?
Father.
Very good.
Mother.
Very good.
Brother.
Very good.
Sister.
Good.
Grandmother.
Very good.
Mother.
Uncle, auntie. If it is a big family, many members are there, right? If it is a small family, your father, mother, you, your brother and your sister will be there in your family, right? Yes, children. So, these are the things you have to revise for your SA1 assessment, okay? Yes, from this only, ma'am is going to ask you the assessment questions, okay? We'll meet in your next class. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.